kind here. I will use a different kind. It gives a different song. Oh, no. Oh, it's easy to make the song or to make the instrument? It's a little bit. I will show you. There are some things you need to be careful about. Okay, this one is...
different notes.
Yes. Both I'm using two things, two techniques. One is if I use my tongue to change the size of my mouth. So the sound box. So this makes this sound. And then you combine that with the breathing.
Can you play any song?
No.
No.
I can play any song, but no song that you're familiar with.
Every
Yeah,
note?
only my own songs.
But it is hard every note. Each note.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know enough about music to know. You know.
Well, but it's,
Because each one is a different key.
yeah.
How do you call it? Diapason?
They are two different names. Jews harp, like Jewish people. Jews harp. Jews harp. Comes from the Middle Ages, the Jewish ghettos. This was a very popular... Beethoven, he wrote some songs for these things.
I saw in some movie.
Yes, quite possible. Yeah. Nowadays, usually it's called mouth harp.
Esta es la de Eric.
No.